Jamboree, a day filled with contests and fun for everyone. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Alrighty campers, if you're excited to ride, can I get a good old choo-choo?
First on the Jamboree roster is the Camp Snoopy fishing journey. Looks like Snoopy has caught his limit. Hey Charlie Brown, what did you get?
I got it.
Just to show you, of all the Charlie Browns in the world, he's the Charlie Brownest.
Vote for Lucy! Vote Lucy! Queen of the Jamboree!
There's my sister Lucy, campaigning to be Queen of the Jamboree. I think she is very qualified to be Queen, because she is a royal pain.
I heard that!
Hey, look, it's the Beagle Scout. They're busy trying to earn their Working Together merit badge. Looks like they're holding a deep sack race. Unfortunately, there's only one contestant. One minute. As a part of the Jamboree, there's a cabin decorator contest and an award for the cleanest cabin. If you ask me, this is just some counting for us kids to keep things nice and tight. Even the Beagle Scouts have gotten in on decorating fun. The Beagle Scouts are quickly on their way to earning their Helping Someone in Need merit badge.
Hi! I don't need any help. I'm fine. Nothing to see here. Not me. I don't hear your weapon.
Looks like Beagle Scout Master Snoopy and his troop are working to earn the gardening badge. They're going to crop up boysenberries. Hey, maybe we can make them into jams and jelly and sell them at their very own roadside stand. And then they can build their own chicken dinner restaurant. Nah, it would never work. After a long day of winning contests, there's no better way to end the day than with the Jamboree Jam. So, tap your toes and look your feet to the Jam and Jamboree beat. It looks like the scores have been totaled. And the winners of this year's Jamboree are the Beagle Scouts. There's no better way to celebrate a Jamboree victory than with some delicious s'mores. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final merit badge of the day. The badge for sharing. Okay, first, we're back at Camp Snoopy Depot. Thanks for riding with us on the Beagle Express. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And now, here's our conductor with some extra information. So long!
Okie dokie campers, welcome back. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop and you've heard that one long whistle. Once you've heard that one long whistle, you may freely exit out to your right. Watch your head and watch your step. Thank you. Alrighty campers, if you were unable to hear that whistle, you may freely exit out to your right, watch your head and watch your step. Have a great rest of your evening at Camp Snoopy.